much. ये जो मैं पहन रही हूँ ये I have bought from a store called Minerali a couple of months ago. मुझे statement necklaces बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. तो I'm wearing this in a mango jumpsuit.
So how come you're here?
I am here for my dear friends Varun and Myra. उनका एक नया शॉप खुलने वाला है, खुल चुका है and उनके aesthetic sense बहुत खूबसूरत है. They have the best of the best designers coming on board अपने ज्वेलरी के साथ. उनका जो सिलेक्शन है बहुत बढ़िया है. मुझे पता है जब भी मैं ऐसे दुकान के अंदर जाती हूँ कुछ ना कुछ मुझे ख़रीद के वापस आना पड़ता है क्योंकि they always have such lovely pieces in their stores. So very excited to see what Azotique has in store. Azotique, am I saying it correctly?
That's right.
That's the correct pronunciation. And as always, मैं वरुण को all the best कहना चाहती हूँ. May this be another successful venture.
So what jewelry do you like to wear on summer also?
Well, I don't know about summer or winter. I like to wear jewelry. जब मैं अपनी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में रहती हूँ then मैं कुछ नहीं पहनती, सिर्फ ऐसे छोटे इयररिंग्स पहनती हूँ. पर जब मैं शाम को बाहर जाती हूँ, लोगों से मिलने जाती हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत मुझे ज्वेलरी अच्छा लगता है. So I kind of like either a big statement pair of earrings or a nice statement necklace. तो I enjoy jewelry और मैं actually real jewelry ना diamonds वगैरह बहुत कम पहनती हूँ. मुझे ऐसे statement pieces ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. I wear a lot of Azotique's designs and I'm just very happy for Varun and I'm here to support him.
Okay, if we talk about the collection, which one is your favorite collection to wear?
Sorry?
Which one is your favorite collection to wear, like heavy jewelry or light jewelry?
I prefer wearing light jewelry unless it's a wedding, like any Indian function, then I would maybe go a little heavy, but I like earrings. I'm not a fan of neck pieces or maybe bracelets.
Like कोई किसी भी वुमेन्स को हमेशा एक ज्वेलरी ऐसी पहनना बहुत पसंद होती है या नेकलेस हो या इयरिंग हो, तो आपकी वो कौन सी?
आई थिंक मेरे लिए इयररिंग्स है. ज़्यादातर बहुत सिंपल इयररिंग्स मैं पहनती हूँ, लेकिन अगर इंडियन इवेंट है आई लव माई चांद बालीज लाइक हेवी इयररिंग्स.
वरुण, your स्टोर ओपनिंग हो रहा है, how much you feel special, आपकी खुशी में सारे सेलिब्रिटी शामिल हो रहे हैं, कितना अच्छा लगता है?
I'm really glad for everyone who's made it, especially in Shamita, that she's managed to make it here. I know she had a very busy day today and she had a lot to do. And apart from that, she still made it. I'm really happy, and she does wear a lot of our jewelry and she appreciates it. So I'm very happy and looking forward to a lovely future.
Thank you.
Dependent on the outfit that I'm wearing. So I try to keep it eclectic and interesting with the outfit. You can mix and match, and I believe you get everything here. I always run to these guys for my jewelry all the time. I'm just constantly like, please, you know, and I feel like I have a full store now because they've got so many new designers in here.
Looking very beautiful and
बहुत मेहनत हो गई जिम में और ये उसका असर है.
Okay, so Tanisha, tell us something. How come you're here? How much do you like the jewelry? As you see, women की एक jewelry हमेशा special होती है, वो necklace और earring. आपको
मेरे लिए I think ये ring special है अभी मेरे लिए जो jewelry. मगर मेरा jewelry हमेशा change होता है. ये earrings भी काफ़ी special थे मेरे लिए. तो I think for a woman, jewelry is something that we use to enhance one body part, and it's just something that just makes you feel more feminine. तो आप as औरत हो तो आपको ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है jewelry पहनने में. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है for sure. और जैसे दीपिका ने फिल्म में किया है, like extra jewelry पहनना अभी trend हो गया है पद्मावत के बाद. तो I think यहाँ सब टाइप के ज्वेलरी मिल रहे हैं, एंड विथ मोर आउटफिट्स आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई एंड स्टाइल इट विद अ लॉट मोर ज्वेलरी. थैंक यू.
Azotique, जो मेरे दोस्त वरुण रहेजा का है. It's his brand new store. पहले उनके पास एक store मिनराली था जो बहुत पॉपुलर था सारे सेलिब्रिटीज़ के साथ. But now this is even bigger and better. Azotique is the new place to come, and I'm sure अगर आप में से काफ़ी लोग सेलिब्रिटीज़ को फॉलो करते हैं, whenever they're wearing jewelry, 90% of the time it is courtesy Varun and his fabulous collection. The best jewelry designers are with him. Very cool, fashionable styles, easy to wear. हम सब इतना travel भी करते हैं, it becomes very difficult to carry real jewelry, so it's nice to carry statement jewelry. So yeah, I in fact today is the official launch. लेकिन official launch से पहले I already visited, and my mom and I shopped, and I always buy things from him. I always, even tonight, I'm wearing something that he sent me, so I really love their stuff, and I'm very excited. और मेरे घर के बिल्कुल पास में बहुत कन्वीनियंट है.
So what makes them others? Like सबसे यूनिक बात उनकी क्या है और सबसे अलग क्या करती है?
आई थिंक सबसे यूनिक बात ये है कि जो रेंज है वो ना सिर्फ फैशनेबल और कूल है, यू नो, गुड इनफ फॉर रेड कार्पेट, बट इवन फॉर इंडियन वेयर. तो उनका जो सिलेक्शन है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है. द प्राइस पॉइंट्स आर रियली गुड, द क्वालिटी इज़ रियली गुड, और वो खुद बहुत इंटरेस्टेड हैं कि लुक क्या है, कैसे करना है. तो आई थिंक दैट मेक्स अ वेरी बिग डिफरेंस. Both Myra and Varun are lovely. They put their heart and soul into this. So yeah, I'm just happy to be here for that.
I want to ask, like, legendary song और एक दो तीन माधुरी का जो गाना है वो जैकलिन ने जो किया है,
मैं ऑलरेडी ट्वीट कर चुकी
हाँ,
हूँ.
लेकिन वो भी आपसे आपके मुँह से सुनना चाहते हैं. लोगों को काफ़ी कम पसंद आया है. लोगों ने कहा है कि जो माधुरी ने जो एक अपने गाने से अपनी छाप भी छोड़ी है.
मैं I'll make a very short statement. It's not about एक दो तीन. It's not about Madhuri, Jackie. Jackie's worked very hard. वो तो नज़र आता है, वो बात ही नहीं है. बट मेरा बस ये मानना है कि कुछ ऐसे आइकॉनिक गाने हैं, और मैं सोफ़ी चौधरी कह रही हूँ जो रीमिक्सेस की क्वीन रह चुकी है. I've done एक परदेसी, हंगामा हो गया, जादूगर सैया, मेरा बाबू छह, लेकिन वो एक पॉप स्पेस में था और एक ऐसे वक्त पे था जब पॉप वीडियोस में ये सब बहुत चल रहा था, और इट वाज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. इट वाज नॉट इन अ मूवी. I just believe remaking Hindi film songs for Hindi films, and not just any Hindi film song. Iconic songs, ऐसे गाने जो हमारे दिल दिमाग में बसे हुए हैं, हमें हर स्टेप, हर लफ्ज़, हर कॉस्ट्यूम, हर अदा याद है. To recreate that is, I think, a lot of pressure on the artist, and it's unnecessary. I just think that iconic songs should not be touched. I still like what they did with Tama Tama. It was quite cool and quite young, and it was different. They were not trying to copy that entire scenario. It was fun. You know, there's one or two have been good. I think what Vishal Shekhar did with Bachna Hasino is an amazing example. Yeah, Lena was also still fine. It was fine, but I still think it's iconic, and I think Bollywood is known for its song and dance and music. Itna talent hai. One of the biggest songs of the year is Dil Diyan Gala, which is an original song. Why do we need to remix?
Okay, also if you talk about the jewelry, nowadays heavy jewelry का काफी trend चल रहा है. So आप heavy jewelry पहनना prefer करते हैं?
Heavy jewelry?
Yeah.
Actually नहीं, अगर आप मुझे देखेंगे मैं कभी heavy jewelry नहीं पहनती हूँ. I like wearing one or two statement pieces बस. I'm usually an earrings girl or a necklace girl. So I don't believe in looking like a Christmas tree. वो मेरा अपना opinion है. हाँ, शादी पे बात अलग है. शादी पे शायद लोग ज़्यादा jewelry पहनते हैं, लेकिन नहीं, I don't believe that. And it's summer. It's too hot to wear too much jewelry. I think just cool earrings or a statement necklace is more than enough.
अगर कोई ऐसी चीज़ है अंदर से आपको खरीदनी हो और गिफ्ट करनी हो तो किसे करें?
मैं यहाँ से एक्चुअली वरुण भी आपको बताएंगे, मैं यहाँ से बहुत ज़्यादा गिफ्ट खरीदती रहती हूँ अपने फ्रेंड्स के लिए, लोगों के लिए. I love buying earrings. I like buying bracelets a lot, and they do some really cool mang tikas and things like that. They do everything. But मैं यहाँ से एक्चुअली ना सिर्फ अपने लिए, but मैं बहुत गिफ्ट भी खरीदती हूँ. So genuinely I'm here because I love coming.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sure. Ma'am, beautiful store with a beautiful collection.
It's really beautiful as the owners are, Varun and Myra, dear friends, and I've been seeing their collection, their passion for the jewelry for a while now. I'm really happy they've come up with Azotic, and I'm looking forward to wear a variety of creations. They have fantastic bunch of designers, jewelry designers, and the collection is really nice.
Okay, if you talk
Which you are wearing is also looking very unique. Tell us something, your jewelry and your earring.
Thank you so much. It is styled by my stylist Prachi, and thank you for the compliment.
Okay, if you talk of the jewelry, which kind of jewelry you love to wear? A heavy one or the lighted one?
Well, I like to wear jewelry. Very rarely you will find me without jewelry, but I. It depends upon the outfit that I'm wearing. Depends upon the outfit that I'm wearing. If I'm wearing a sari, if I'm wearing any Indian outfit, the jewelry is certainly different. And but off late, I'm certainly going a bit minimal, and I go by the mood of the outfit.
Any memorable one you have?
I have variety of memorable jewelries, and I have couple of articles from you know, my ajis and mama. But I have a very nice finger ring which is of my grandmom, and it has a very nice script on it. It is in gold, and I wear it at times.
Thanks.
Thank you.